brand owner, I want to tell my customers about the current offer that we are having in our stores. So here I'm going to send personalized WhatsApp messages informing about the sale that we are having to all my existing customers whose details I already have in this Google Sheet. But now here manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer, that too with personalized name, takes a lot of time. And sending them into a WhatsApp group is very unprofessional. That's where I got up an amazing solution of WhatsApp broadcasting that allowed me to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to bulk contacts in just one click with a approved method. Yes, you heard it right. Using WhatsApp broadcast, you can send bulk WhatsApp messages to your bulk contacts at a specific time using your own WhatsApp business number. And here I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, then select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Also here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So now here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here on the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So for that, we're going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. Now under this broadcast, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, we are going to click on the Start Broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Here we are going to select the type as broadcast campaign. Then for the name, I'm going to give the name as new sale offers. Moving forward, then it is asking us to select the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. And as you know that I want to send this WhatsApp message to all the contacts whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow first. And for that, we are going to access this contact section available over here on the left side. Under contacts, in the left side, you can have a preview of the existing contact list. To create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add details over here, or to add in bulk, select this add bulk contacts option. And here you need to upload a CSV file. But as you know that I have a data in a Google Sheets format, that means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this import contacts, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. Let me select that. And after selecting the contact list, we have received the option for refine audience. So basically using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the entire contact list or exclude some specific contact. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you're having an active 24-hour conversation window. Alright, then comes the message type. Here you can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, select this option or select the message type from the drop down. And then here if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. But here I'm going to use a pre-approved template message that I've already created under this template section available over here. Let me open it for you. So under templates, you can see the total number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. In this case, I'm going to use a template that I have with the name Daily Deals. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here you can see I've also attached the image for the same. Okay, so now we are going to use this particular template, and you can see it is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. If you want to learn about this template creation process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so I'm going to select that template over here. So this is my template, and here I've used a variable in the place of name because variables makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So to make this text personalized, I've used variable in the place of name. And now here to make it permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access contact custom fields from the settings. Here you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can add more contact custom fields as per your variables. For now, I'm going to copy the field name for name and we are going to add it over here. Now here for the image, we are going to select the image that we need to send, and with this we have completed our template. Click on this done button and you can see the template has been selected over here. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message by sending it on my WhatsApp number first instead of sending it to the wider audience. For that, I'm going to add my own contact name and number. Then we're going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly we have received a new WhatsApp message with the name Hi Roma this time, and this is exactly the same template message. So with this we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then here it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to your contact, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time for scheduling this WhatsApp broadcast. Here make sure you're selecting a future date and time, because if you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. After that, we have received the option for automatic retry of failed contacts. By turning this button on, it is going to retry to send this WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts for the another try. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then click on this add broadcast button and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have date of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend your WhatsApp message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting the resend option available over here as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send personalized bulk WhatsApp messages to your thousands of customers. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.